Embark number 30, Untouchable, the Elixir of Immunity. And now we come to the other physical part that no one wants to hear. Because to be well takes effort. En effort is mos nie 'n grap nie. Snot, sinus, drip in die keel. Ons is nou daar. Goed. If I am a very stressed, tense, perfectionistic, anxious, gejaagde persoon. If I have a personality van ek is altyd op 'n mission soos 'n politician, then my stomach makes more acid than it normally should. Want ek is nou getens en ek is nou gejaag en ek het nou adrenaline. So that stomach acid, wat HCl is, hydrochloric acid, then releases gases. And these gases go all the way up through my slukdarm and it then hits, the gases then hit, hulle slaan vas hierso at the top part of the sinus area. And as that gases that comes from my gastric area, from my digestive system, as that gases then hit this area, my sinus area, what does the body do? The body protects. What does the body say? The body says there's acidic fumes coming up into my sinus area. I'm now going to produce een klein huisie vol snot, mucus. Because what else can I as a body do? I can produce mucus, I can produce oil. My skin can produce oil and my mucous membranes makes mucus to protect me. So a lot of times we would go to the doctor and say the post-nasal drip doesn't want to stop, antibiotica, cortisontjie, neusproetjie, and at the end of the day, all it is an indigestion problem. So if you wake up in the morning and your throat is dry or sore, one of two things happen through the night. Your nose was blocked and you breathe through your mouth, punt nommer 1. Or punt nommer 2, you had a light meal, you ate something that was acid forming, or you didn't eat, or you had a very stressful day, and those gases went up to the sinus area and irritated your mucous membranes and your sinuses, and your body tried to protect you by making all of that snot. So I hope this brings a bit of clarity and linking to everybody asking me, but I'm trying everything and I'm inhaling and I'm sniffing and I'm spite squid. What are you eating? What are you eating? When I have milk, I sound like a John Deere tractor for 40 minutes after I've had milk with my coffee. Remove dairy from your child's diet, from your diet, and check. So we call it a food diary. I'm very connected to my body. So I immediately know if I have had tomatiesop, tomatiebredie, daai lekker Jan Hendrik checkers, druiwesap, maak lekker suur. If I went to the restaurant after 7, if I eat a heavy meal after 6, that next day, keelseer. Dis reflux, julle. Dis reflux. Sinus is not necessarily me inhaling a fungus. Sinus is not necessarily die veilig om my. Sinus is not necessarily die boomse blaartjies of die stof hier binne. Sinus can come from my digestive system. But you can't take medication chronically. It's not good for you. I have to change my lifestyle if I want to live a life of health and wellness. Want elke liewe pil wat ek in my mond sit, gaan 'n neeweffek op my liggaam hê. Ek is jammer om dit vir julle te sê. 70% of wellness is integration, the other 30% is medication. Daarom neem ek elke dag my Cuban watertjies. As jy in die oggend wakker word en jy het 'n pyn hier, julle, is jy 'n Cuban water kandidaatjie. Ek is jammer om dit vir julle te sê. It must form part of your life. You need to take that cumin water to help with the acidity of your stomach lining, to help the gases to not form so much, and to CTFD hierdie spanningsknop wat ons hier sit. So physically I can take my cumin water, I can drink my essential oils, I can take dairy out of my diet, I can observe, is it windy, is it the dust, was it a tree, what caused the sinus? Because we are all plucking pleistertjies, while at the end of the day, just remove the cause of the problem.